Are you ready to set up your own DevOps labs? In this step-by-step tutorial, I will cover how to create fully functional DevOps environment using Vagrant and VirtualBox. It is perfect for beginner and professional. We will set up 3 Ubuntu virtual machine, configure networking, and learn how to manage VMs with simple command. No complicated setups, just a few minutes and you will have complete DevOps labs. If you are serious about DevOps, make sure to watch this video till the end. Hit like and subscribe for more tech tutorial. Let's get started. Before we begin, you need to install VirtualBox on your system. VirtualBox is a free and open source virtualization software that will run our virtual machines. It is also called hypervisor that runs the virtual machine. As you can see, I have already installed VirtualBox in my system and currently no VMs are created. Now we will proceed further to install Vagrant. To install Vagrant, go to your browser and type Vagrant download. Click on first link. Go to the community download version and download the WAR file based on your platform. I am using Windows system, so I will go to Windows and click download. I have already downloaded it and I will run the file which I have downloaded. Double click on it and click install. It will take some time for installation. Meanwhile it is downloading, I have created all step-by-step process for creating a lab. You can follow this step-by-step process. I will update this file in my GitHub repository. The link will be mentioned in video description. Installation is completed. Click on finish. It will ask to reboot the system. We will say later. Now next step, we will create a project repository. Now let's create a dedicated folder for our lab setup. Open command prompt in this folder. This will be our working directory where all configuration will be stored. Now let's initialize Vagrant. To start with Vagrant, we need to initialize it inside our project folder. Simply run Vagrant init. This will create a Vagrant file which is blueprint for our virtual machine. Now let's configure it. As you can see, Vagrant file is created. Now let's edit the Vagrant file to define our 3 Ubuntu virtual machine and configure networking. simply just copy this VM initialization script and replace with the existing and save. Here what we did, we defined three virtual machines using Ubuntu 18.04. We have configured the network level configuration. We have defined the resources and we are default creating DevOps user with password. Now let's launch our VMs. To bring up our virtual machine, simply run Vagrant up. Vagrant will now download the Ubuntu images if it's not already available, create the VM and configure networking. It is working on our server 1 Ubuntu 1's VM. It will take some time. If I open our VirtualBox, you can see VMs are created and these are in running state. Three VMs are created as you can see in VirtualBox. It is completed and three VMs are up and running. Now we will verify network connectivity. We will access all three VMs. You can get the IP from the Vagrant script file. DevOps is a by default user which we have created while initializing the VM. As you can see, one VM we are able to successfully access. Now second, now last, third one. We are able to access all three VMs. Now we will check if they can communicate with each other. Yes, ping is working. Now we'll check for other server. Yes, as you can see, I am in 190.11 server and able to communicate with 12 and 13 server. Same I will check for other. Yes, yes, as you can see, now each server is working fine and able to communicate with each other. Now let's look at a few Vagrant commands for managing our lab or VM. Vagrant up command, from which you can start all the VM at the same time. Vagrant SSH or your server name. From this you can connect to a VM. Vagrant halt, you can stop all the VM at the same time. And Vagrant destroy, it will delete all the VMs. So these are useful Vagrant command you should know. Congratulations, you have successfully set up a multi-VM DevOps lab using Vagrant. This environment is a great starting point for practicing Ansible, Kubernetes, CI/CD pipeline and more. If this tutorial was helpful, like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more DevOps content. See you in the next video.